Hi, everyone. Welcome to Wigsroyal channel. Very glad to see you again. Wigsroyal has been 22 years manufacturer experience on real human hair lace wigs, hair weaving, top closures, lace frontals, and so on since 1998. Now Wigsroyal products are exporting to 62 countries and regions. Thank you for your always supporting and trust that we will keep growing. Today, we'd like to introduce another item to you. Hope that you will love it. For this product, the item known as MZ-022094-1, 100% premium quality Brazilian virgin healthy human hair, 26 inches. The hair color is natural color. And the texture is natural wave. The lace color is brown to match your skin well. The density is 140%. Pre-plucked hairline and the baby hair around the perimeter creates very natural looking. Even the people is very close to you, they don't know that you are wearing a wig. Most Wigsroyal wig come with freestyle and can be parted from anywhere you want, if without special requirements. We have already bleached knots for all of our products, if you didn't tell us not to bleach for you. Single knots at the front hairline and double knots else. The cap base is the most important for a wig. It needs to be comfortable and matches your head well. All of Wigsroyal cap base has been designed and sewn by the workers, who have more than 15 years working experience. We esteem your personal favorites and requirements, we can make the cap base as you required. To be sure that you can get a lightweight, ultimate natural looking wig. More of us. Welcome to visit www.wigsroyal.com. Any suggestions, questions, or comments, welcome to write to info@wigsroyal.com. And please remember to subscribe us to get the latest hair trends, newsletters, company news, and so on. Thank you. See you next time.